Hi there, students. Kairos. Kairos. Okay, this comes from an ancient Greek word or an ancient Greek concept. This is when the conditions are right, when it's the right time to act, it's the opportune moment to do things, to do something. Okay, so Kairos, it talks about the right time, the right moment, the perfect moment. So if you're going to have a, a music festival, and the music festival is outside, then you want to pick a moment when the weather is going to be good. Clearly, if you decide to hold your outdoor festival in the middle of January, it's not it's not good. January is not the Kairos for a festival like that. Normally, the Kairos for a festival like that is perhaps the middle of August, the end of August, where normally the weather is good. This is the opportune moment. They use this word Kairos in rhetoric, in argument, in debate, and Kairos is saying the right thing at the right moment. Yes, you can use pathos and bathos, but Kairos is using the right thing, saying the right thing at the right moment to create an effect. They say that time waits for no man. Kairos was part of the strategy of Napoleon. Napoleon was very aware that in a battle, the important thing wasn't just capturing your objectives, it was capturing them at the right time. And if you have them at the right time, then you will be successful. So it's like carpe diem, seize the day. When the Kairos is right, when it is the Kairos, you must act. Yeah, you mustn't delay, because this is the opportune moment. This is the moment where you're going to be successful. It's the critical moment where something either works or not. For example, a salesman, they need to do the right things at the right time. A salesman needs to know when to be quiet. So the Kairos of being quiet, the Kairos of when to speak to the client, the Kairos of when to tell them the price. So it's talking about the right moment, the opportune moment, the critical moment. Or perhaps as a team, you have a secret plan, and you need to use your secret plan at the right moment. So this is the Kairos for your secret plan. It's that special moment when it's opportune to do something, to say something. It's the right moment. Yeah, when things are right to be to achieve what you're trying to achieve. It's the opportune moment to do something. It's, for example, with Kairos, this is something that originated from the bow and arrow, and the Kairos is the right moment to release the arrow, to let it fly. Yeah, and if you let it fly at the right moment, it will hit the target. Yeah, or as I said in rhetoric, the Kairos, the right moment to say say things, because you can your words have much more effect if you say something at the right time, the right moment. Okay, so the Kairos. Notice one Kairos, two Kairi, or various Kairi, ends in os, Kairoi, as the plural, Kairoi, not Kairi, Kairoi. And it's the time when conditions are right, when you're going to be successful, when it's the moment for action, it's the opportune and decisive moment. So, formality. This is a fairly unusual word. Most people probably won't know it. I'm going to give it a 7 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. But you may have to explain the meaning of it. And as to origin, well, it comes directly from ancient Greek, Kairos. I think Kairos today in modern Greek means the weather. So whether it's opportune to do something or not. So Kairos in ancient Greek, the season, the period, the fitness, the proportion of something, the suitability. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Kairos.